crafty friends, this is Christy. I'm back with a video, and y'all, this one is near and dear to my heart. So tomorrow, January 31st, 2024, I will be releasing my first ever mini kit in my very own shop. I could not be more thrilled. So I thought today what I would do is share a product overview of what is included in the kit. You're going to get everything that's shown. You're also going to get instructions. There'll be opportunities to get together and do some crafting together so that you can complete the project. The project is designed to be a year-long documenting project with very small increments for each month. So it's not overwhelming. You don't need to print 1,000 pictures. It's very, very doable and manageable. So I'm going to show you all the products. I will be sharing a flip through of the final album, and that will be released tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow morning. Fingers crossed. It's been a process, you guys. It has been a process. So let's flip through all the products that you're going to receive in the Noteworthy 2024 mini kit collection by Christie Amber Designs. That is so exciting to say. I just have to put that out there. So you're going to get all kinds of little trims. There was, yeah, there's one more vellum envelope and I don't see it here, but let's just flip through. I'm not going to open all the containers and packages of goodies. I want to leave them intact, but I did want to flip through and show you everything that you were going to get, because you guys, this kit is so full of product. You're going to want to get your hands on it for sure. So let's clear this off and talk about all the things that you're going to get. So the first thing that is very important to this project is the album. So you're going to get this 6x8 Simple Stories Snap album. It comes with pocket pages. It comes with craft dividers. It comes with other pages, like 6x8 pages, as you can see. Well, they're outside the page protector, so they're a little bit bigger. And you will be utilizing, you're not going to use every one of the pocket pages or every one of the pages included, but we're going to utilize those in the kit. This kit is so fun. The finished project has been so fun to create. So first thing, 6x8 Snap album in Robin's Egg. That will be the first thing you get in the kit. Let's go over all of the paper and stickers so that you can see what is included. So you are going to get the 12x12 cardstock stickers from the Noteworthy collection. That is included in this kit. And then you're going to get one each of the 12x12 paper. So basically this is like one of the collections that they sell Simple Stories packages together and sells. You're going to get all of those things. And as you can see, each 12x12 paper has a month theme. So we're going to have January through December. I'm going to flip through each paper for you so you can see them in their entirety. So let's just flip through these really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward you here to do this a little bit faster. All right, so those are all the papers and the 12x12 stickers. Let's go over the embellishments that are included in this collection that are from the Noteworthy, in this kit from the Noteworthy collection. Goodness. All right, so you're going to get the decorative brads with chipboard. These are adhesive backed, so no poking holes. You're going to get the 6x12 chipboard. I will say, and I will add this disclaimer to the instructions, you are going to want to adhere some adhesive to the back of these to keep them sticking more permanent. There's lots of stuff outside the page protectors, so we don't want any of those things falling off. And then you're going to get the foam stickers. I love these, guys. So cute. So those are the embellishments that are included in the Noteworthy 2024 mini kit collection. Then you get, these are so cute, you guys. I could not get enough of these. So you get the floral bits. Look at all those florals. And if you didn't know, this collection was by Kelly Bangs, and she does a floral like nobody's business. And then you're going to get the journal bits. So these ones are a little bit bigger, include elements to have your journaling on there. And then you're going to get these bits and pieces. So these are more icons. We are going to use the numbers in this to document each month in the mini kit. So those are the ephemera bits that you will be getting. And the last thing from the Noteworthy collection is the 6x8 paper pad. This paper pad is so cute. We will be using quite a bit of it in our mini kit. Again, I will be doing a flip through of the finished product tomorrow. It will be available tomorrow for you to view. But let me go ahead and put you quickly on fast forward so I can flip through this. You do get 2 sheets of each paper, so I'm going to show you half of the stack, and then obviously the other half is exactly the same. So that is the 6x8 paper pad. All right, let's go over the trim, and then I'm going to show you the exclusive items that are included in this kit. All right, so the couple of things, you're going to get some vellum elements. This is a vellum tag and this vellum envelope. We're going to use those in the making of the kit, and you're also going to get this adorable little shipping tag, or probably not a shipping tag, probably like if you're having an estate sale tag. Okay, and you're going to get, here are some more elements. You're going to get this little gold clip. You're going to get a whole section of these silver glitter enamel dots. You are also going to get 3 wooden buttons. So these will vary in size. They won't all look like this, but you will get 3 wooden buttons. And then I've selected a little grouping of trim, and you guys, it's so fun. This has been so much fun to put together. You're going to get this pink, like kind of raspberry May Arts trim. You're going to get quite a bit of this pink, light pink May Arts trim. You are going to get a piece of this pom-pom trim, this little bit of flower trim, and a little bit of this lace. So you're going to get all of these elements. They're curated by me, selected by me, and they will add the perfect addition to our little kit pages. And you'll see how I use all of those when I show you the final product tomorrow. All right, the last thing I want to go over with you that's included is perhaps my favorite part. So I have some amazing friends in the industry, and I'm going to back it out a little bit because it's warping the color. They designed some exclusive elements for us, and I am so excited. Let's put it on the white. Okay, so Rachel, if you don't follow Rachel, she has a sequin shop, Rachel Tellman Co. I will link her down in the description of this video. She has some amazing sequins. She designed an exclusive sequin mix just for me You cannot get this anywhere else, and it matches the kit perfectly. There are some yellows, there's some whites, this vibrant pink, a lighter pink, all different sizes and shapes, and I love it. So you're going to get an exclusive sequin mix from Rachel, and then my beautiful friend Morag from Bramble Fox and I designed this acrylic piece. They call it Perspective. It is definitely an acrylic piece, and you guys, is that not the cutest? And since she's so amazing, she threw in some extra little hearts just for good measure. So you're going to get those in the kit. Both of these cannot be found anywhere else. They are exclusive to my kit. So you're not going to want to miss it. You're going to want to head on over to the shop tomorrow at noon to pick up one of yours. It's limited quantities because I wasn't sure about ordering, and I wanted to make sure I had enough to sell, but not enough to have a bunch left over. So you guys, I am so excited. I'm thankful for everybody's support as I've shared about my new endeavor. And please do not miss out on the Noteworthy 2024 mini album kit over at Christie Amber Designs. I will share the link with you when it is available. Please go to my socials and follow me there. If you're not following me on Instagram, I am at Christie Amber. So all the things will be posted there. When the kit is live, it will be posted and you won't miss out. So thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to share this next part of my life with you, and thanks for coming along on the journey. Until next time, I hope that you find time to be creative. Bye, y'all. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I forgot 2 elements of the kit. You can tell this is my first time. You're also going to get these illustrated faith goodies. This is a washi crush, in Citron Mornings. It is this gorgeous yellow color, mustardy color that matches the kit perfectly. And then you're going to get the Illustrated Faith Elaine's Art Essentials Alpha, and it does have numbers as well. So that is also included in the kit, and my apologies for leaving that off, but this is everything that you're going to get, and I can't wait to share this with you. Go snag one so we can create together, and let's see what 2024 has to hold for us.